Here, the hub of Guide TI features a section allowing access to the list of work orders, and this other section shows the latest work orders viewed by an employee. The same layout is found at the bottom of the interface, where the complete list of equipment is available. Here is a list of the latest equipment viewed by the employee, and here is a list of the employee's work orders. You can zoom in to group some pieces of equipment together. Here you can click on any of these pieces of equipment to see their full details. You can also group them by type of expense or location. All the work order documents used in Guide TI will also be available on the tablet, including Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, pictures or sound files, even web links. Videos can also be added on the tablet. So if you want to see a PDF file, select it and click Open. At this point, the file will open in your PDF viewer and you will be able to read it. Electrical or mechanical plans detailing every equipment part will be displayed. For instance, you can see videos of installation procedures, disassembly procedures, training documents, and so forth. You only need to click to close a work order. You can enter details on the work done, select the cause of a problem, or add some work time associated with this work order, and then click Save. You can also search information on pieces of equipment. Following the same logic, you can directly select one piece of equipment or refer to the list. By default, the list of assigned work orders is displayed. Same thing here. You can group them together and then select a piece of equipment to see information on that particular item. You can also scan a piece of equipment. Let's say that you're in the field and you don't know your equipment number. If you had barcodes on your equipment, you could scan it and create your work order on that piece of equipment. When selecting one of the templates, it automatically transfers parameters to your work order. That way you don't need to enter that much information. You can also start recording your time on that work order. Directly from that point, you can also take pictures and resize them to better show particular problems. Then you can save and name the files. In addition, you can dictate information, since the application can record sounds or videos. For instance, showing a problem when a machine is operating is very useful. All these features are possible. If you are working offline, the information is automatically transferred when you reconnect to the network. Therefore, you can have a clearer picture of scheduled work versus completed work. Planning and scheduling is live, and you want to know what is happening in the field in real time.